Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to be showing you a herbal soup which is prepared out of Asiatic Pennywort leaves. We also call it as Vallarai Keerai in local dialect. This is very good brain stimulator and it's very good for diabetes. We find this locally and in specialty stores. This is grown organically, so the leaves are very healthy for you. I found this in farmer's market the other day and I had purchased it for about 15 rupees. I got about 6 bunches of these leaves. Now my mother has started to clean it. She was helping me out in this. These leaves are a bit tough to cook. They are slightly rough and it takes time to cook, but you should cook it on a very slow flame. We are just separating the leaves. The interesting fact about these leaves are they can be added to hair oils and even body oils. So some Ayurvedic doctors prepare hair oils using these leaves. They call it as Brahmi leaves. I've washed these leaves thrice in running water and drained the excess water and reserved it. We'll need finely chopped onion, finely chopped garlic, cumin powder, ginger powder, white pepper powder, parsley, and a little bit of turmeric powder. You can use regular pepper, corn flour, and butter. It's simple as that. Very tasty. So I've heated a pan on medium flame. To the pan I've added butter. Before the butter melts and starts to brown, I've added the onion and garlic. I'm going to fry it till the onion turns transparent. All the ingredients measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've got a detailed recipe. The blog link will be in the description box below this video or posted in the iCard above this video. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter friends. I keep posting stories on a regular basis there. All my links to social media will also be in the description box below this video. Now the onion and garlic has fried a bit and the onions have turned transparent. I've added the pennywort leaves. We are going to fry this and allow the leaves to wilt down a bit. So this will roughly take about a minute and a half to wilt down. Here you can see I've cooked this for a minute and a half. The leaves are still rough, so you have to cook it further. Keep frying it on low to medium flame for 2 more minutes till the leaves soften a bit. I must tell you, this soup was slightly bitter. These leaves are slightly bitter but very healthy. Now once the leaves have fried for almost 3 to 4 minutes, I've drained it and added it to a mixer jar. I'm just going to pulse it twice. So there was enough moisture in the pan. I've allowed the moisture to reduce a bit. Now I'll just pulse this twice. I've not added any extra water. You can see it's coarse ground. So I'm going to transfer it back to the pan. So this is the extra juice that was left over from the greens that I had drained earlier. I've not added any butter or oil. Now I've added the spices and corn flour. I've added the parsley, turmeric powder, white pepper powder, cumin powder, corn flour, salt. I'm just going to fry all these ingredients, and I've measured and added about 2 cups of water. This is warm water. I didn't want it to stop from cooking. I'll get this to a rapid boil now and it has to reduce further. The soup has started to boil and it's reducing. It took me roughly about 5 minutes to reduce it. At this point the soup is nice and thick. I've gone ahead and served it. Right before you serve it, you can add a little bit of lime juice and serve it, and you can also top it with some fresh cream. I've chopped and added a few pieces of carrot, and I've served it. Do try this recipe, friends, and post your comments. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.